How to fix privacy settings on X. If any day you would like to fix your privacy settings on X, just follow the following steps. You can either do it from your direct X account on your mobile device or the X application on your mobile device, or you can also solve it by doing the Google Chrome. Here we are going to do it from the Google Chrome. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome on your mobile device. You have to tap on Google Chrome on your mobile device. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now in the search section, you have to search Twitter there. After you search Twitter there, you can see the very option of X.com. It's because the name of Twitter has been changed into X. And after that, you have to tap on X.com. After that, a page like this will appear. This is the very application interface that it takes to. You can tap on the very X.com for a while and go to the option of Open in Tab in New Group. You can either do that, or you can also do the option of Open in New Tab. And when you tap on the option Open in New Tab, you can again see it like this because X.com will be opened in the new tab. Now you have to go to the option of X.com itself, and when you tap on that, you will see the interface or the home interface of the very X application. After that, you have to go to the profile section. After you move to the profile section, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of settings and support. After that, you have to go to the option of settings and privacy. Now you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of privacy and safety and tap on the option of privacy and safety. After you tap on the option of privacy and safety, now you have to go to the option of content you see. After you tap on the option of content you see, you have to enable the option of display media that may contain sensitive content. If it's disabled, you have to enable it. After that, you can also see the option of explore settings and search settings. However, you have to go to the option of search settings. After you tap on the option of search settings, if height sensitive content has been enabled, you have to disable it. And this way, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.